Michael, last week I had this person come into my office. Now, they had filed bankruptcy and everything was all cleared. Then they started getting these letters from the IRS, and all of a sudden, they get a CP504. What are these letters for? The language seems very different, and it is fairly threatening. It scared them. They gave me a call. What can I tell them, or what can we do to help them?
You know, that's a really good question. IRS, from my understanding, sent out about 2 million in the last month, CP504s. And my guess is if you got one of those notices and you were home, you had to sign for it, or just so you know, it's a certified notice, and that should scare you because as an agent, IRS is ready to take action. You should understand that those letters go out systematically. There's nobody actually working that at IRS yet, but at the end of that 30-day letter, this is what's going to happen. You may get a federal tax lien, you may get a wage garnishment, or you may get a bank levy. So IRS sends this letter out as saying, hey, we're sending out certified, this is a big deal, these are fireworks for you, you have 30 days for you to call them, which is okay, or you contact somebody like Josh. Let me tell you though, what happens, and listen, I don't care whether you do this yourself or not, but you have to understand this. When you call IRS, IRS is going to take your financial statement. For most people who call IRS, Josh, they wind up with a big payment agreement because they don't know what the national standards are. Josh is going to explain to you now what those standards are and why, if you're going to call by yourself, which you shouldn't do, what are those national standards?